Hello, hello. Welcome to Malaysia HR Forum. I'm one of the contributor in this forum, and well, you can watch my video. What is it about? Onboarding experience. And since you are the first time joining the Malaysia HR Forum, it would be good that I introduce you to our founder, Mr. Arukumar Sigavalu. Right? So you can find out more about him by going to LinkedIn and you search about here and then here search and you should find him, right? Yeah. Now look at that. Okay, so he looks like this. Okay, next thing is that if you are inviting the person come into this forum, right? So it's good that you write something on the post, right? As a founder, do it. So example would be something I did for the person that I invite. So when you do the invite, you tell a little bit about this to the existing forum members that what is the person do. For example, Dr. Suraya is an author, a dedicated lecture. So people know that okay, it's a lecture. Okay, okay. So if you want to find out more about then get in touch with Dr. Suraya Shira. Okay. So now that is one way to onboarding, and the other thing is that I want to mention is that you can also go to the mall, and there is this files section where you can find a lot of gold. I call it gold, right? For example, uh, you can say what is the job street salary report, so you get a gauge about how the industry was like, and about what's KPI and what is peso. You see annual leave calculator, success succession planning, Canada memo how to change the payout, Carol, limited force, can employee force, what's that? You see that? That is a lot of proposed gratuity. So there's a lot of useful tools that this HR forum are helping the HR members. And the other thing is that you can even search here, right? For example, maybe you want to look for attrition. Okay, um, attritions. Let's say you can find it. Let's say, can you find it? Um, nope, not really. How about Excel? Right? Let's see, search. Aha, so you can see there are some items here. So this is one way to search, and another thing is that you can go to the discussion area here and see where you can find searching. Oh, cannot. Um, oh yes, there is a search button here. So you can search for example on talents or maybe payroll. So as you enter there, you can find that all the posts that related to, like for example payroll software. How about this? See, there's a lot of ways to use this. So you can go search back. And you can also write your something on this post here, and you can also post it as an anonymous. See, there's an anonymous, so I can post it, so nobody knows who posted, but they will answer. So remember, you can leverage it on 16.7 thousand members, right? Usually, that's about 1% of the members are active. So yeah, so that's it. There are other features that I'm not, we don't use it that much, but you can discover it. So this is the objective. You can share about this to share and consult with each others in relations to the matter arising from the practice of effective HR management to assist each other in the provision of advice and tips. So, well, I think, and also if you want to look for any training, you can always go for here. And Malaysia HR Forum it itself is also a HRD Corp approved approved training providers. So you can check out this. So there are other trainings that you can look at. Yeah, maybe trading value and so on. So you can click on this and the discussion area here, feature area here. So you can network, you can introduce yourself here. So just connect one or two of them, then build a good relationship, and yeah, there you go. And if you have any things that you find is worthwhile to share, so do share it. So you can share it by clicking on more file if you have some file you want to share, and then click the upload file, and then choose the file that you want to choose, right? So maybe this one here, click open, and then you type in your things here, right? So and then you click post, and that's it. So I hope that this onboarding video will help you understand how to use this forum more effectively. And thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia. And with that, we want to once again give thanks to the founder, Arukuma Sigara Velu. Oh, it's a co-founder. Yeah. He's very passionate in the employment law. Do contact him.